Natural remedies for dog eye infections.
Hello, pet parents. Today, we're going to talk about something all dog owners have faced at some point: dog eye infections. But don't worry, we're not just going to discuss the problem. We're also going to look into some natural remedies that you can use at home to help your furry friend feel better. But remember, these remedies should be used only for mild cases, and it's always crucial to consult with your veterinarian before trying any new treatment on your pet.
What are dog eye infections?
Eye infections in dogs can occur when harmful bacteria or viruses invade your pet's eye. Signs of an infection include redness, swelling, discharge, constant blinking, squinting, and your dog may show signs of discomfort. While it's important to get a diagnosis from a vet, mild eye infections can often be treated at home with natural remedies.
Salt water wash.
One of the easiest and safest natural remedies for a dog eye infection is a salt water wash. Salt water can help to clean the area around your dog's eyes, removing any discharge and preventing the infection from spreading. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Using a clean cotton ball, gently wipe the area around your dog's eye. Make sure to use a new cotton ball for each eye to avoid spreading the infection.
Chamomile tea.
Chamomile tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help soothe irritated eyes and fight infections. Brew a bag of chamomile tea in hot water and let it cool down. Soak a clean cloth in the tea and wring out the excess. Gently place it on your dog's eye for a few minutes. Make sure the tea is not hot to avoid burning your dog's skin.
Apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar, ACV, can help to kill harmful bacteria. However, it should be used with caution as it can sting your dog's eyes. Mix 1 part of ACV with 2 parts of water. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and apply it around the eye, not directly into the eye. If your dog shows any sign of discomfort, stop using it immediately. In conclusion, while these natural remedies can be used to help treat your dog's eye infection at home, it's essential to consult with your vet first. Severe infections require medical attention, and delaying proper treatment can lead to more serious issues. We hope this video has been helpful, and your fur babies will be in the best of health soon.